Hi, this is Linda from Moscow. Today, I'd like to introduce how the glass lid is made. This machine cuts large pieces of glass into small pieces according to the size of the lid. It is automatic loading, cutting, breaking, and stacking. Moscow company is specialized in providing cookware machines for 15 years. This machine is open circle machine. It is also fully automatic line, automatic feeding, cutting, breaking. After the glass cutting, the edge is very sharp, so this grinding edge machine is needed. The steam hole and handle hole of glass lid are drilled by this machine. Two holes can be drilled at one time, or only one hole can be drilled at one time if needed. There will be a lot of glass powder on the surface of the glass after drill hole, which needs to be cleaned and dried by this cleaning machine. This is tempering furnace. Which is a patent product developed by our factory. Mainly used for glass heating, forming, and tempering. Is laser welding machine. The interface is very smooth without black box. The capacity of these machines can be about 800 pieces per hour. This is C-tile ring making machine. This is G-tile ring making machine. After making the G-tile ring, you need to use this machine to press the edge. This is before pressing, and this is after pressing. If you want the steel ring surface to achieve a bright effect, you need to use this machine to polish. This is the automatic tipping machine. How to combine the glass and steel chip together? for the waiting steam hose. It is the whole process of making glass lid. Mocho is very serious and professional in making glass lid. If you need, please feel free to contact us.